Hi everyone, Dara DeCroce here, Senior National Training Manager for LG Home Appliances. And today I'm really thrilled to introduce you to the all-new LG Signature Laundry Pair. This isn't just regular laundry. This is a lifestyle upgrade that redefines elegance and performance in your laundry space. Now first, let's talk design. This exclusive brushed platinum steel finish, this is unique to LG Signature, and it really adds that sleek, modern touch that instantly elevates your space. And at 29 inches wide, these appliances make a bold and sophisticated statement right in your laundry room. Are you looking for flexibility? The optional Sidekick washing machine is perfect for tackling smaller loads or delicate items, all while the main washer can handle your everyday laundry. Talk about multitasking. Now, let's dive into performance. This washing machine boasts an impressive 5.8 cubic feet of capacity, enough for even your biggest loads, from bedding to bulky jackets. And it doesn't just wash it, it actually works smarter. With AI Wash 2.0, there are built-in sensors to analyze fabric type and load size and automatically select that perfect cycle. And Easy Dispense will take care of the detergent and the fabric softener for you, measuring the exact amount needed for every load. And if you do not use the softener, go ahead, fill both wells with your favorite detergent, and that can accommodate up to 36 loads. Thanks to Easy Dispense, there's no guessing, no waste, just effortless care. Control your laundry anytime, anywhere with ThinQ, remotely start cycles, monitor their progress, and get notified when it's all done. Plus, ThinQ offers specialty cycles to add to your machine and smart diagnosis, which helps you take proactive care of small issues before they become bigger ones. And when it's time to dry, the 9.0 cubic foot dryer has got it covered. This features smart pairing, where the washing machine can actually send the dryer information as to which cycle would be most compatible with your load. And this ends up being the ultimate laundry hack. It features AI sensor dry as well, utilizing a moisture sensor to automatically detect the time on your dry cycle for effective and efficient drying performance. Do you need a quick refresh? This dryer has turbo steam in it. This will reduce wrinkles and revive your clothes in minutes. Perfect for those last-minute wardrobe changes. The LG Signature Laundry Pair is the perfect blend of timeless design and cutting-edge technology. It's everything your customers will need to elevate their laundry experience, and we know that you're gonna love it. Thanks so much for joining me today, and be sure to check out the new LG Signature Laundry at your store coming soon.